good light. Oh my gosh. You can change from warm to cool, which I really like. And then you can also change the brightness. So you can dim it down or you can turn it all the way up. So those were my pickups for today. It is Friday. I don't know what else I'm gonna be doing today, honestly. It's been a good day. Like I said, Pilates was super hard and Fridays are usually my chill day. I do want to start showing you guys more of like what I eat, my everyday nutrition. So I will start recording that for you guys, but I'll keep you guys updated. I'll see you guys later. This light is definitely a vibe. I kind of like the warmer and I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. Here's the fit for tonight. Some clear heels per usual, my Amber Combi jeans, and my Skims Fits Everybody top. And then the same jewelry. And makeup is beat. I did use a different concealer for my highlight. And I used my new Ami Cole lip gloss on the lips. Hair is in a bun. If you haven't seen that tutorial, go check it out.
Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's some me time.
So I just got to the Galleria in Dallas and I'm supposed to be going out tonight. I'm supposed to be looking for an outfit for this dinner tonight, but I'm like so tired. I'm supposed to be like, I have a really long day tomorrow. I have to go to the airport and like just be in Dallas all day, and then I have work the afternoon. So it's about 5:30 right now, but I honestly think I'm just gonna end up going home because I know this Galleria is gonna drain me. Like every time I go shopping, I just get drained, so we'll see.
Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, Chuck to look around. Find one to see my type. Now my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet this girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria.
Okay, so I'm literally trying to leave the Galleria and I've literally been in standstill traffic for 10 minutes now. Literally just trying to leave. Like, I don't know what's going on, but it's a Saturday though, so I should have known. But I stopped at Sephora, and I know I went to Sephora like literally yesterday, but my friend wanted me to stop and get her this Brazilian Crush spray. But I don't know if I told you guys about the Glossier like back by my apartment that was sold out of everything, but I went ahead and got the Glossier. This was literally the only one left. This is the Berry Balm, and I was just like, I'm just gonna get it because I really want it. So it does have a little tint to it. It's like purple for, you know, I guess the berries. It has like a little purple tint on it. But I'm gonna try it on. Like I said, like I'm literally just chilling in the parking lot right now. So it's fine. So this is the packaging, so cute. I love how like it's like different colors and stuff, like the purple and the orange. It kind of reminds me of like my college Go Tigers. But let's see. So this is the color. It is very purple.
Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I sit my drunk ass on that runway on this one way.
I mean, it's actually kind of cute. Like I was kind of worried because since it was literally the only one left, I was like, okay, like, you know, it's not gonna be cute, but it's actually like a little look, like a little tinted purple, and it's like very moisturizing, so I think this was a good buy. But I'm about to head home. I was supposed to go to dinner tonight, but I'm like super tired and I gotta be up pretty early in the morning, so, and I have work tomorrow night. And I know it seems like so far away, but I'm gonna be kind of, you know, doing stuff during the day, so I want to get some rest tonight. So I'm about to probably pick up some food and head back home because I don't have anything at my house for dinner. I did not take any like meat or anything out to cook, so I'll probably just pick up something on the way, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.